at Jim VanDyke's Automotive and Tire Center, and you're watching as Ratchet Turns. Today I want to talk to you about our lube oil and filter service. With every service, we do a free 30-point inspection. We'll check your car over from top to bottom and let you know what's going on with it. And don't forget that the fifth oil change is free. Now let's check out what's going on around the shop. Pretty full parking lot today. Lots to do. Corn's growing. Sneak in the back here, see what the guys are up to. Brad's working on a Chevy truck, doing some engine diagnostics.
Sean, working on a Ford now.
Trying to figure out an engine noise. Apparently he's working on a Ford. Brad, what are you doing to the beep? Ryan's checking out a truck. It's got a coolant leak, some other things going on. Ron doing a tune-up. Jim keeping the stool warm. Stop out and see us. Jim VanDyke's Automotive and Tire Center, 740-335-2000.